Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the new Google Pixel 8a versus Google Pixel 7a. What changed in design? Google Pixel 8a leaks in CAD-based renders. Looks like a Pixel 8. A 360 renderings of the Google Pixel A and some smartphone specifications have appeared on the network with almost full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Google has just launched its latest flagship smartphones, the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. But of course, there will be a third member in the family too, the more affordable, mid-range Google Pixel 8a. This is expected to be released in the next few months. And today, it's been leaked in all its glory in some CAD-based renders. Insider Steve Hammerstoffer, known as OnLeaks, and the website SmartPrix have published renders and some specifications of the Google Pixel 8a smartphone. Its design is slightly different from other representatives of the Google Pixel 8, as well as from its predecessor. What we know about the Google Pixel 8a so far: the new Google Pixel 8a still follows the design of the main series, but has an even more rounded look. Its predecessor, the Google Pixel 7a, by contrast, was almost entirely rectangular. The smartphone measures 152.1 by 72.6 by 8.9 mm, which means that the smartphone will be slightly shorter, narrower, and thinner than the Pixel 7a smartphone, which measures 152.4 by 72.9 by 9.0 mm. The new Google Pixel 8a design language is very unsurprisingly incredibly similar to what we have seen in the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones, down to the very rounded corners, as it should be, we might add, since all three of these devices share most of their name. There are two camera lenses on the back panel of the Google Pixel 8a smartphone. On the front panel is an approximately 6.1 inches flat screen camera with a camera cutout at the top of the display. The frame of the smartphone screen cannot be called thin by any means. There is rather noticeable beard. According to Geekbench 5, the new Google Pixel 8a will have a rounded frequency variant of the Tensor G3 chipset paired with a Mali G715 GPU. The smartphone will receive 8GB of RAM and will run on Android 14 operating system. It scores 1218 points in single core and 3175 in the multi-core test. According to the news, the new Google Pixel 8a smartphone lineup will officially launch within a few months. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.